lovelies, and welcome to your August 12th, 2019. Today's energy reading. I'm Lori. I'm Angels in Heaven at Spiritual Guide Tarot, and it's a pleasure to do your today's energy reading. First of all, I'd like to welcome back my clients and my subscribers. Much love and light and many blessings to each and every one of you. And if you're new to my channel, if you like the way that I read or if it resonates with you, much love and light and many blessings to each and every one of you as well. If you would like a more in-depth, personalized reading, I do have a special going on. Just send me an email and I'll be happy to send you my information. Or you can check out my website and send me an email through there. Please hit the like button, okay, so this video can get out there and circulate. It would mean a lot to me. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Especially if it resonates with you, please leave a comment, okay guys? Please and thank you. Again, please hit the like button so this video can get out there and circulate around other people. It'd be very much appreciated. A big thank you to each and everybody. Okay, so as you know, this is a generalized reading. It's not going to resonate with each and everybody, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest, okay? Let's see what's going on. What's going on? I say, hey, 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 what's going on? Okay. Here we go. What do we have? Eight of Cups, walking away or wanting to walk away, going in a new direction. Okay, we have the Eight of Cups and the Eight of Wands. Some of you have left a situation already. Okay, I'm just going to move my camera. I'm banging it with my chair. There we go. Okay, so you're either walking away or you have walked away. Okay, and you're going in a new direction. You're going towards new opportunities, new beginnings. That's going to lead to fulfillment. Okay, you're leaving everything behind. You say, no more. I don't want to go through it. Been there, done it. Don't want to go through it again. I want to experience complete fulfillment. I want to meet somebody that is my soulmate, that is understanding, that is caring and loving and fulfilling. I want the dream. So you're going in the right direction. Again, with the Knight of Wands, you're leaving a situation and you're going into a new situation. Again, it's very quick and very fast. With whom, I might add? Well, you were shunned out. You were ghosted. Okay? You had a lot of loneliness. You had a lot of despair. You had a lot of sadness. You were shunned out in the cold. You did a lot of thinking on this. With the Hermit, this is finding your inner wisdom, your inner guidance, your inner clarity. The answers already lied deep within inside you. Did a lot of thinking of what you wanted to do. So you decided that you wanted to walk away and you wanted to go out and go into something new. Let's find out what it was. Let's find out what it was. Well, you were sad, okay? You had sadness. You were disappointed. You were let down. You have regrets. You wish things had turned out differently, but they didn't. Things weren't working the way that they were supposed to. You had high expectations and it was let down. But you are going to reconnect with somebody from your past. with the Six of Cups. This is revived love. This is reminiscing. This is sharing and being familiar with each other. It could be a next door neighbor. It could be an acquaintance that you already know. It could be a coworker. But it's somebody that you know that is around you or is coming back into your life that you haven't been in touch with for a while. Again, it's revived love. It's sharing. It's being familiar. It's sharing memories, discovering new memories. We have a lot, okay, we could be dealing with Virgo, okay, because of the Hermit. We also have a lot of cups here, so we could be dealing with Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. And we could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius with the Queen of Wands. You have a lot of courage. You have a lot of determination. You want someone to adore you. You want to be loved. You want to be nourished and valued. You're going to get it done. There's going to be a lot of chemistry here with the Devil card. A lot of heated chemistry, a lot of sexual chemistry, a lot of playfulness, not deceit, playfulness, and a lot of sexual chemistry. Again, if you're dealing with this fire sign, an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, of course, there's going to be a lot of passion there, a lot of passion. And a cup, a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, right? You're going to have the Ten of Cups, inner happiness, dreams being fulfilled, security. All your cups are going to be overflowing with committed, contented love, a very committed relationship, and a very happy home life. You're going to have the World. It's a steady relationship. It's a long-term relationship. It's being whole. It's the end of something right here, okay, that you've caused you to feel ghosted, to be left out in the cold where there was no communication, that, you know, you were sad, you were lonely, you had heartache. It caused you a lot of loss and grief and disappointment, and you walked away from this situation. So it's the end of that you're putting behind you, and this is something completely new. It's being whole again. It's all your objectives being attained. It's fulfillment. It's loving. It's a steady relationship. It's a long-term relationship where there's celebrations, there's anniversaries. It's your ideal partner, soulmate. And it's coming. It's coming very quickly with the Page of Cups, which is love is coming your way. Enjoy the lighter side of life. Full of adventure, full of new beginnings, new experiences. Full of innocence and wonder. Let your imagination run free and embrace this new opportunity that is coming in. Again, okay, this is a beautiful reading. You're coming out of severe heartache and you're coming in to a beautiful relationship where it's going to grow, it's going to thrive, it's going to be very successful for you. All your dreams, your desires, your wants, your needs are all going to be completely fulfilled with this person. And again, it's from the hand of God. It's from the divine. It's from the universe. It's from source. Again, it's from the heavens. It's the cup of love. Committed, contented love, emotional, physical, mental, spiritual fulfillment. Good, bad, or indifferent. Unconditional love. It's brand new. It's falling in love. It's a positive change. It's a new beginning for you where you're going to embrace it. Enjoy this beautiful opportunity. Again, energies can be interchangeable or vice versa. Okay, so please keep that in mind. All right, and timing is fluid. What other messages do we have for this reading? Please and thank you. And I'm using the Tarot of Dreams now. Messages, please and thank you for this reading. You're going to have victory. You're going to achieve the ultimate relationship. Success, achievement, and being victorious. Everything that you're going after is going to be achieved. And you're going to be very victorious. Together with the Six of Wands. Any other messages for this reading, please, and thank you. It's going to be a lot, it's going to be a lot of sharing and giving and receiving in this relationship with the Six of Coins. Together. Not take, or need, or want. Sharing, giving, and receiving with each other. With the Six of Coins. So you're leaving a situation, or you have left a situation, and you're going into a new situation. Again, with the Eight of Cups and the Knight of Wands. Okay? The situation that you left, you felt shunned out. You felt ghosted. You had despair. You were lonely. You were sad. You had to do a lot of deep thinking. You had a lot of loss of grief. You had a lot of disappointment. You were let down. You thought this relationship was actually going to work. However, it didn't, and you chose to walk away to new opportunities. And it's bringing you a brand new relationship. Someone that has been around you or is coming back from the past. Revived love, reminiscing, sharing, being familiar. Either, again, it is someone that you live next door to, or it could have been an acquaintance, or it could have been somebody you worked with. But it is definitely somebody that you know, and your soulmates. It's going to be a lot of heated chemistry between the two of you, a lot of sexual chemistry, a lot of passion. Again, it could be a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, a Taurus, Virgo, or a Capricorn, an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Again, energies can be interchangeable and vice versa. Okay, so please keep that in mind. It's going to be a very steady relationship where there's going to be an anniversary. There's going to be celebrations. It's going to be fulfilling. It's all your objectives being attained. It's contentment. It's joy. It's bliss. It's happiness. It's the world and everything in it. You're going to have the Ten of Cups, inner happiness with security. All your cups are going to be overflowing with joy, happiness, success, harmony, love, dreams, desires, wants, and needs are all going to be coming true. There's going to be a lot of sharing, giving, and receiving in this relationship together. You're going to be very successful and achieve the ultimate relationship and be very victorious. It is on its way, so buckle up and hang on to your seats because it's going to be one hell of a ride. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you would like a more in-depth, personalized reading, I do have a special going on. Just send me an email and I'll be happy to send you my information. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment if it resonates with you. Much love and light and many blessings to each and every one of you. I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.